Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a book cover on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section and click to the fifth option, the book cover. If you want to add pictures and other files to your cover, just go to the Uploads button, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the Gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the Elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers, charts and more. If you want to add text to your cover, just go to the Text button and click to the Add the Text box option. If you want to draft, just go to the Draft section and just draft to the canvas. If you go to the Design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can select this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the Design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. If you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the Gistesi text style name. And here you can select another text style and the font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. In the Effects section, you can add shadows and shape effects to your text. And in the Animate section, next to the Effects button, you can add animations. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.